Are you always feeling exhausted no matter how much you sleep? You're not alone. Millions struggle with unexplained fatigue, and the cause might not be what you think. Today, I'll reveal the 5 hidden medical reasons why you're always tired and how to fix them. If you feel weak, dizzy, or have pale skin, you could have low iron levels. Iron helps carry oxygen through your body, and without enough, you'll feel drained. The solution? Eat iron-rich foods like spinach, red meat, and beans, or consider a supplement after consulting your doctor. You might think you're sleeping 8 hours, but if you wake up groggy, sleep apnea could be the cause. It interrupts your breathing at night, reducing oxygen levels. If you snore loudly or wake up gasping, consult a specialist. Your thyroid controls energy production. If it's underactive, hypothyroidism, you'll feel sluggish, gain weight, and have dry skin. A simple blood test can diagnose it. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue. If you're drinking less than 2 liters of water daily, your body struggles to function. A quick fix? Hydrate consistently throughout the day. Low vitamin B12, vitamin D, and magnesium levels can zap your energy. Most people are deficient without realizing it. Consider getting your levels checked and adjusting your diet accordingly.